Um, 2 days ago, my water pump went out on my 2016 Dodge Ram. So right now I'm working on it right now. I don't really get everything out. I have to take out all these stuff to get to the actually water pump. It wasn't too bad. It wasn't too bad at all. Move all these hoses, disconnect all those hoses down there, and that's the water pump. So I know I didn't start the video from the beginning how I take it apart, but it's very easy. One thing I want to put out there right now is all these screws that hold the water pump, they're all different sizes. So what I did, while I removed the old one, every screw I take out of the old one, I transfer it over to the right screw. As you can see, I'm moving everything over. I remove tension. I have a new one here for this. Then I put it in here. Then I just transfer this over from here and screw this on. So all the screws are in the right holes. It's my first time, so I just don't want to mess it up. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a piece of tape over here so that doesn't really fall out or anything when I'm putting in the chuck. So I will make a video after set it up back. So all I need to do right now is just prep it and get it ready to put in. Well, so far it took me like 45 minutes to do this. I drain all the fluid out, so I'm gonna have to buy new fluid to put in. So I'm just cleaning up all the rust around here right now. I just finished cleaning that up. I'm getting ready to put it back together right now. So thank you for checking out this video, guys. It's my 2016 Ram, my first water pump change. Thank you, guys. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye bye.